Christmas and welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today we have Marcia. Now, Marcia came out, she's explaining herself once again. And now she's saying that she's letting everyone see her face to know that she is somewhere because people love drawing, making assumptions basically. And she's been paying a lot since she's been at this place. She's saying that she's not looking for an handout. All she needs is for her supporters to, you know, support her business. But she's not looking for handouts because she's able to pay her bills. She has her money, and that's all that matters. So she's saying that, basically she's good, she's okay, she's comfortable. She's just waiting to get a place to move into. And she's been to different places where she could have been, but because those people are Jamaicans, she refused the apartments or the buildings where she could have been living. But now she's still on the hunt for a place, and she knows what she wants to do, and she's waiting for the right one to come along. So she's in no rush, basically. So catch the video. Remember, guys, to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, have yourselves a wonderful day and go ahead and support Marcia in her business. Thank you.
For rent from a Jamaican. If I don't want blood clot complex, me I go in a one neighborhood where have whole heap of nice like some townhouses in some nice area and pay me rent to the me no want nothing for rent from the Jamaicans. I went to 3 different places already where take me and me now take it because of Jamaican landlord. I didn't take it. Me could have lived in a one apartment long time. My next door neighbor sent me to him in church, brother. And me go down there. It wasn't ready. And me say, it too small. Me not take it. Me go one had a place one man take me. Me not take it when I heard the Jamaicans. I don't want to rent nothing from the fucking Jamaican. When the new apartment, them know I build on us already, when me put in my paperwork, and ready, I will take it. Fuck, oh no. And leave me alone. And let me enjoy myself. Me nice and blood clot comfortable. Not too fucking enough. And you see the balling when I put down the other day, me tell you already. If it's because me mad, bet me a ball. Nothing else, so not too fucking enough. But me need to come and pride come ask. Or me to come and pride come ask. Me not have a blood clot business. What me to come beg you know? Me not tell you to come buy sheet and curtain. One more. Me not have a bit. What me to come beg you know? What I'm doing? What me to come beg you know what? Beg you know what? How much I wanna can do what me do now? How much I wanna can do what I'm doing? When did I leave Woodland Village? And I'm in a no family yard. When did I leave Woodland Village? You want me back up my blood clot receipt them and show who know how much me pay from me left Woodland Village? You want back up my receipt them? Eh? Did I reach out to any one of my friends them or anybody behind closed door and tell them that I need help? Nope, I sure didn't. Not even my sister them. All me say to on social media can support me. Me see una write up over YouTube. You see me telling you know? Don't play with Marcia. You see when I lift up my Bible to Jesus. You see when I lift up my Bible to Jesus. You see what happened on social media right now? Me not telling you say no. Me not have to come out here and cuss no cause me have the knife in my hand. You know how much incriminating evidence I have behind closed door? Eh? Me not show nothing, princess. Me lie down on my bed. Why should I come out and show the darkness? Me no blood clot darkness. Me a light. Me in my bed lie down. When me a pay for. Rent and pay for. You understand? So me not show nothing. I'm not showing nothing, but I'm in my bed. Why should I come in the darkness? And then blood clot over the fence, man, in the darkness and people in the darkness. Me in the darkness. Got nothing wrong with me. Me in my bed lie down. That's all me I show them now. See nothing else. Me I show my face. Because these people need to know reality of life. You are begging money to pay pastor. Me never beg no money to pay a pastor. Me say the people have to come buy sheets and curtain sheets. That's what I said. I mean, I want a pastor name bring up over here. Me done with pastor. When pastor will come apologize and do him have to do the right thing. Me don't want no pastor name call. Me don't come up to talk about no fucking pastor right now. No bring no pastor name over here. A matter of fact, let me ban you. Me sorry said this and I should have made a hand drive phone and see me block your shit same time. Me don't want no pastor name over here. Let pastor be. Me done with pastor already. Me already declare. When pastor ready, pastor know the right thing to come and do. Just like how the one day over there expose the truth. When the pastor come, the pastor will expose the truth. He never know nothing about the pastor. When I started to do the investigation, the pastor was over Andrea show. He was a big supporter of Andrea show. So if anybody's supposed to get the number for the pastor, it's either the pastor, when the pastor donated to him and giving the money, I'm asked Andrea for the number. But I feel like say him never know the pastor. First when the pastor start talk since the outcome. Him never know the pastor. When the pastor is no friend, it's a full effect setup when he set me up. I don't know why I get the pastor if he do that, but him never know the pastor, because if him did know the pastor, I would have called that pastor a long time. At the end of the video, him start promote pastor. I don't know nothing about pastor, and I don't know what the pastor like for him. You understand? And a tabo house. How you forgot to give pastor house and pastor tell me say bill house? Do you know the amount of conversation that pastor and I had? Do you know that pastor and I was on video camera speaking and just see a personal level of his lifestyle and everything? Where who don't know. There is more. There's a lot to this story, honey child. Me not said nothing. He don't know that man. He just set up that man this week to fight against me. Him and that man never hold no conversation. Let me tell you that straight up. So pastor, I'm waiting for you when you're ready. You come out. And you will tell the truth and tell the people them so they can pray for you, because you need prayer. Just like me with the spiritual warfare. And you let that man take advantage of you and push you. I don't know why you did that. But you never know that man. At first him talk to that man because when he was looking ammunition, certain things never come out yet. You understand? So him never know him. Since he realized that the man donate to me and give me the $1,000, him kin catch a fire. And he realized say, when me say, me I'll use the $1,000 for get liar. Him start panic. So him have to use the ammunition and come out down and start tell lie. Because in here when me say, I am going to use the $1,000, and him know say the man is a man who donated to Erica. To Mongoose, to Dirty Erica. Let me see, because she said, me I call her Erica, and me I beg, and me and a friend. Well, Bumbleclad Dirty Erica then. Anything you have no complaint. Mongoose Erica. Mongoose landlord then. Because not because you're over there going ever, get away with one pussy clot from me. Because me warn you all the time saying go and let you down. And me warn you all the time saying go and let down Dana. I warn you all the time and telling us that the man attack what like that so him can't go open up charity and force the man. Look how him so bad man and grudgeful. Give it to somebody else. Give it to the blind. Give it to somebody else and try to give her nothing. You know, sister, the man jealous and bad man and me. Him not know the man. Just talk to the man this week. When he was looking ammunition, when he come back and tell him about popcorn, he never know the man nothing from nowhere. Now make him fool, I don't know why I'm convinced the man to come lie. Me have evidence. People call me and tell me things, they don't know him. When the pastor ready for talk truth, him just call a man this week to set me up. And I don't know why I went along with it. But I know that something is wrong. When you're ready, you come tell your story. When you're ready, you come tell a story. But I advise you, seek some counseling. Because you and I know that something is not right. You understand? Some of them know what kind of help we not talk about. Help for what? We know a blood clot house. We know housing. We know his housing. Help for what? Help for what? What do I need? Eh? Since that's my credit bad, I mean I'm credit for get house. Uno ako jack it up to 800-900. Me want to ask you a question. Because me need help. What kind of help do I need? Tell me now. So them say me credit bad and me can't get an apartment. What you going to do? Jack up my credit to 700-800? Okay then. Because me have my money to get my apartment. That's number one. So what you do? Jack up my credit to 800-900? That is it? Okay, you say whatever. I mean, you want somebody to co-sign. You want to co-sign for me? What is it? So what is the fucking problem? What is in the problem now? Tell me now. What is in the problem? What can you do to help me? What the pussy clot can you blood clot to help me? Tell me now. Me don't need the place to live because me have my sisters and brother them. Even my friend them I tell me, say, Marcia, go on to North Carolina. You understand? Maybe changes. My friend them from Atlanta, come down there. My brother them down there. So I mean, I am here. What kind of help me I need? So when I say me not have no credit, me not have the this, me not have the that credit, but so you tell me, jack it up then now? Jack up that blood clot then so we can get an apartment. Jack it up. Jack it up. Jack it up. Come give it to me. Go and go into the blood clot system, go give it to me. Jack it up to 7, 8, 900. And give me the help where I need. What kind of help I need? Tell me what kind of help I need. Me hear the one landscape him over there come and talk about me having the same clothes. Of course. And my clothes. The dress that me have on today, I wear that dress in the week gone. And me wash that blood clot in the laundry room yesterday. And me put it back on my clothes. And me can come dash out several blood clot new clothes that me have. When me not touch it. And shoes when me not wear it. Will you watch my clothes for you money buy? And my clothes, if I want to wear it one time, I wear it. It's my clothes. A winter time now. Me I love my sweater dress them. It's my clothes. Me I love clothes who came in the mail yesterday. Me go to Woodland Village go pick up boxes. Where clothes shipped to me. That's so fortunate and blessed me is. When my friend them a shop, them go up online. If them buy the same dress, them buy it. If them see something, them buy it and ship it to me. Me no lack on a clothes landscape. You watch too much. You're too fucking enough. You fuck like your partner will let you down. Me tell a long time. You can't do good by yourself. Me tell if it, you have your that Portland, you can't go do look, you can't go a river, go do look cooking and do look boost or something and go on ever. Me tell us if he left the store up and left the dirty man alone. But no. And look how the man did there blackmail you. Of course, me over your fucking page, I watch what people call me. Look how the man a blackmail you if you take away your page. Eh? Look how the man a blackmail you. And him a talk about fraud. A fraud him a commit. When him a tell us if you go sign over papers and him get the taxes and all kind of something. A blood clot fraud that. Him not supposed to do that. And when him a come and talk about me commit fraud and me and him a commit fraud. Look how him enough want to take your page as a sufferer. He want if he go take for your page, go take 20%. I saw him, he want me to give him the help me with my page and tell me how if somebody block me, he can hand block me. I may never give it to him. So sometimes I do crookish things. Because the time when me in Jamaica a few years ago when me the block for a month and he reach out to me saying can help me give me password and me never give it to him. And him saying can hand block me. You understand? Him can't hand block me and I know if he hand block me. And I never give it to him. Oh, no must think say Marcia stupid. I'm not stupid. I set them want to set me up. With all them or something young, I was thinking to myself and my friend them. I was wondering, Pastor, when you were inviting me to come over for Christmas. I'm hesitant now. I say, no, me cannot do that. I was wondering if you were setting me up. If you were I wonder if you were setting up to get kidnapped me. I wonder if you were setting up to kidnap me. It's like you and my friend, you not kidnap me. Then oh yeah, my friend, and you were inviting me to your house. So maybe you know we're planning to kidnap me. And disappear. Lucky thing me no idiot. Eh? Lucky thing me no rass idiot. I wonder if I kidnap you, plan to kidnap me. I me come and then me disappear. Oh, lucky thing Marcia not take things like that. Oh, I wonder if you not plan to kidnap me. Eh? I wonder if you not plan to kidnap me. Eh? What is the Marcia just licky? You hear the question I may ask you before I took that money? Are you in any association with any devil worshipping or anything with that man? Because if not, I don't want it. You hear the question I asked you and you came up on your page and you say to tell what I'm out. You hear what I ask you? You hear what I ask you? How does that look with the conspiracy? How does that look for you to see that we are here praying for the situation to stop? You hear and all of the text messages them and stuff. How do you feel to know that the man sat there on the page tonight and try to bring me down. Me have criminal record. Me a try to grow and scam people. They the nursing people them ban me. The nursing people them ban me. Me have grown and scam people. I have the picture with my vehicle. Me just show you which part leak. Right at the front of my driver's side. The next side is fine. You send it go give him and him send it to the one landscape over so. Then how do you feel to know that you're a pastor counseling me? You want peace. And you sit down on the man page drinking wine. And hear the man today. With them the dangerous lie there. Me, Marcia Campbell, never ever me never get in trouble with the law in my life. And you hear a man sit down there and saying that me have criminal record. After me a criminal like I am have criminal record, me not have criminal record. Huh? Me come out of the nursing field because me back a kill me. Me have herniated disc. And all of that. Him come for my page and hear me talk about food stamp. And the man come and fabricate it and tell about myself. And me never hold no argument with pastor about food stamp. And you didn't follow him. Eh? Then you're lucky say me is a woman of God, you know. Me not lie. Because you know me a shield you with the incriminating evidence of me a behind closed door. But me I left it a time. Because through me know say God will come through for me. You see like how Erica over there confess and I talk things that Erica have a lot of things to talk. And one thing, me call her